Hi friends, this video shows how to adjust temperature of Philips Air Fryer NA231. First plug in the air fryer, then switch on. Then we can locate power on off button on the touchscreen panel. Here you can see power on button, tap there. You can see light on the display and air fryer is ready to use. Here you can see the temperature button, tap here. Then we can adjust temperature. For that we can use these two buttons. We can increase maximum up to 200 and we can decrease. So this way we can adjust temperature. Tap here, this is the timer button. Then we can also adjust timer using the same buttons. See, we can increase or decrease timer. And here you can see the button for turn on or off interior light. See, and here you can see the button to start and pause. Let me start. See, this way we can start. If you want to pause, tap on the same button. See, this way we can start or pause. So if you want to turn off, we can tap on this turn off button. Done. Then turn off the switch. Please try this.